Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will explain about matrix decomposition. Matrix decomposition methods, also called matrix factorization methods, are a foundation of linear algebra in computers, even for basic operations such as solving system of linear equations, calculating the inverse, and calculating the determinant of a matrix. The meaning is matrix factorization means we write we write the matrix A as a product of some matrices, product of two matrices, or product of three matrices. So product of two matrices means 2R decomposition, LU decomposition. Product of three matrices means SVD. A can be written as a product of three matrices, SVD. Singular value decomposition. So matrix factorization means we will write the matrix A as a product of some matrices. So this factorization can help to solve system of linear equations, calculating the inverse and the powers of a matrix also sometimes. Now we see some applications of matrix decompositions: data compression, CT scan reconstruction, linear regression, spectral clustering, page rank, Morey-Penrose P pseudo inverse, Markov chains. Now we see spectral decomposition of a symmetric matrix. So this is also called eigen decomposition, right? So eigen decomposition or spectral decomposition is the factorization of a matrix into a canonical form, whereby the matrix is represented in terms of its eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Only diagonalizable matrices can be factorized in this way. So P inverse AP is equals to D. This implies A equal to PD P inverse. Let A be a n by n symmetric matrix. From the spectral theorem, we know that there is an orthonormal basis u1, u2 and so on un of Rn such that each uj is an eigenvector of A. Let lambda j be the eigenvalue corresponding to uj, that is A uj is equals to lambda j uj, then A equal to PDP inverse, that equals to PDP transpose, where P is the orthogonal matrix, P equals to U1, U2 and so on Un, and D is the diagonal matrix with diagonal entries lambda 1 comma lambda 2 comma and so on lambda n. The equation A equal to PDP transpose can be rewritten as, so P is U1, U2 and so on Un, matrix D is diagonal matrix and the diagonal entries are lambda 1, lambda 2 and so on lambda n. P transpose is U1 transpose, U2 transpose and so on Un transpose. By simplifying this, we'll get lambda 1 A equals to the expression A equals to lambda 1 U1 transpose plus lambda 2 U2 transpose plus lambda n Un transpose is called the spectral decomposition of A. So the meaning of this whole thing is, suppose we take n by n symmetric matrix, right? So we already know that every real symmetric matrix is orthogonally diagonalizable. Every real symmetric matrix is diagonalizing through an orthogonal matrix, right? So symmetric matrix is diagonalizable means we can write P inverse AP is equals to D. D is equals to P inverse A. Then A equals to PD P inverse. A equal to PDP. This decomposition is nothing but spectral decomposition or eigen decomposition. Now in this, what is P? P is nothing but orthogonal matrix. So the columns of how to write the matrix P. The columns of P are nothing but orthonormalized eigenvectors. The columns of P are nothing but orthonormalized eigenvectors. P is the orthogonal matrix. These columns are nothing but orthonormalized eigenvectors. And D already we know. D is nothing but diagonal matrix with diagonal entities are lambda 1, lambda 2, and so on lambda n. So only the thing is, if the matrix is diagonalizable, we can write eigen decomposition or spectral decomposition. Right? So A equal to PD P plus. So this is the spectral decomposition. Now we see one example you can understand easily. Find the spectral decomposition for A equal to 3 to 2, 3. Check by explicit multiplication that A equal to QD Q transpose. So this is our matrix. This is our given matrix, right? Matrix A equals to 3 to 2, 3. This is a symmetric matrix, right? So first calculate eigenvalues and eigenvectors, right? So the characteristic equation for A is lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 5 equals to 0. So the eigenvalues of A are lambda 1 is equals to 1 and lambda 2 is equals to 5. When lambda 1 equals to 1, the eigenvector is v1 equals to 1 minus 1. For lambda 2 is equals to 5, the eigenvector is v2 is equals to 1, 1. So length of this v1 is root 2. So v1 by norm v1 is 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. v2 by norm v2 is equals to 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, right? So this matrix is, given matrix A is symmetric matrix. It is diagonalizable. So A equal to, how to write? A equals to QD Q transpose. Q is orthogonal matrix, right? So the columns of Q are orthonormalized eigenvectors. So first column, write it as first column is root 2 by 2 minus root 2 by root 2. That means v1 by norm v1. Second column is v2 by norm v2. That is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So next diagonal matrix 1 0 0 5 and Q transpose. Q transpose, this is our Q. So transpose of this matrix is root 2 by 2 minus root 2 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 2 by 2. Now, so now we are checking this from multiplication of these three matrices will give matrix A or not. So find out the product. Product of these three matrices, root 2 by 2, root 2 by 2, minus root 2 by 2, root 2 by 2, 1 0 0 5, root 2 by 2, minus root 2 by 2, root 2 by 2, root 2 by 2. So this equals to 3 to 2 3. So clearly that equals to, right? This decomposition is nothing but spectral decomposition. Find the spectral decomposition for the matrix A equals to 1 0 1 3, right? So this is not a symmetric matrix. Given matrix is 1 0 1 3. The characteristic equation of A is lambda minus 1 into lambda minus 3 equals to 0. So eigenvalues are 1 comma 3. The corresponding eigenvector for lambda 1 is equals to 1 is x1 equals to minus 2 0, and when eigenvalue 3, eigenvector is 0 1. So clearly the eigenvalues are distinct, right? So corresponding eigenvectors are pairwise orthogonal. You can check easily. x1 is minus 2 0, x2 is 0 1. So x1 is orthogonal to x2 means x1 transpose x2 equals to 0. So minus 2 into 0 plus 0 into 1, that that equals to 0. So x1 is orthogonal to x2. Then orthonormal vectors. So 1 by 2 of minus 2 0, x2 is same because length is 1 0 1, right? So now write matrix P, x1 by norm x1, that is minus 1 0. First column is x1 by norm x1. Second column is x2. x2 is 0 1, that equals to P transpose. The spectral decomposition of A is 3D P transpose. Matrix P is minus 1 0 0 1, D is 1 0 0 3, P transpose is minus 1 0 0 1. So if we calculate the product of these three matrices, that gives A. So this is spectral decomposition.